Hey guys, today I'm here to teach you about 15 Windows commands you must know. Now let's get started. Click on Windows plus R, CMD. So our first command is ipconfig. This can be used to find the IP address of your machine. Here you can use ipconfig /all to get more details including your physical address. But isn't it a little hard to find out from all this data? So we have another command to get your MAC address, which is getMAC. The next command is ping. Ping can be used to check if websites and servers are up and running. Say ping google.com. See here, 4 packets have been sent and 4 have been received. That means the website is up and running. Our next command is traceroute, which is the same as traceroute, which is used in Linux. This is used to trace the path towards the websites, showing all the routers in between as well as how long does it take the connection to reach. Okay, so traceroute, say google.com. We can use Control C to interrupt. So our next command is netstat. This command will show all the connections in and out of your computer. Okay, so our next command is route print. My bad. So this command shows the routing tables of your computer, which will show the route your computer will take to reach certain networks. Here you can see your IPv6 route table, and here you can see your IPv4 route table. Our next command is the system info, which will show us the system information. Okay, the next command is winver, which stands for Windows version. If you want to see the version in the terminal itself, you can just type in VER. Now our next command is title, which can be used to change this title of your window. So say can you guys see the title has been changed? Okay, so now our next command is color, which can be used to change the background as well as the text color. You can type in help. So here, color 07, 0 is black. That means the first digit stands for the background and the second digit stands for the text color. Next command is used to clear screen. TLS, which is used for clearing screen. Okay, so now our next command is time. This will show you your current time. And now if you enter the time in the same format mentioned above, you can change the time. Next command is date. Similar to time, it provides you the current date as well as an option to change the date. Our next command is exit, which can be used to directly exit from the terminal rather than clicking on the exit button. So our last command for today is shutdown /r. By executing this command on the CMD, you can directly get into the BIOS without clicking any keys. So guys, thank you for watching my video. Stay tuned for more.